Yabo yes, unenkinga obhekene nayo in the love department. Well, the Liftoff fam is here for you. Why not just send me an email to theliftoff@kakasi995.co.za and detail your issue and what it is that you want us to assist you with. Thina ke sobe sesenze njalo. There is a young lady who has written me an email ucela ukubizwa ngo-anonymous, which is fine. Uti, please keep me anonymous. I have separated with my baby daddy for over a year now, and our daughter is 2 years old. I've started dating again, and the guy I'm seeing akanayo ingane. The problem is, unesicefe nangumfana. He will call up to 5 times uzuluphendula ucingo. Ukuthi usemsebenzini noma busy akanandaba. He seems to have a lot of time on his hands, to be honest, but apparently he works uma esho. Kodwa lo muntu uya offer isonto lonke. Another issue I have is saqomana over the phone. Imina owavakashela yena so that we get to meet and spend time together. Nakhona ngaya endlini yakhe, he bought me fried chicken with no beverage yokwehlisa. And because I had asked for a cider ukuze ngehlise ukushisa after 2 hours of traveling to see him, wathi kumina umuntu ophuzayo uyazithengela utshwala. Kwiqiqi mase sihleli naye, he had some of my ciders. Anyways, the mood was off already, so ngacela indlela after some time of ukubuka indonga, wase nginika u100 ukuthi ngibuyele ekhaya. Impatho lana ayikho. We have never been on a date or anything, but he is controlling AF, okay? He always expects me to let him know about my whereabouts, and kuyimanje, he's insisting on seeing me nge weekend, and uthi ucela ngivakashe. Kusho ukuthi mina, lo table for 2, one romance phakathi, ngiyowazi mhla sadibana noThixo ezulwini sesithethe eyezono zami. Wow. Wow, that picture. Table for 2, no Jesu. Sekuthiwa ya, nasi sono sakho sokuqala, sesibili, sesithathu. So Anonymous is now asking ukuthi, would I be mean if I ghosted this guy? Ubona ngathi izinto azihambi kahle. Akuna romance lana, controlling brother. Akanqeni ukufona up to 5 times in one sitting, whether ubusy, usabambekile ndawo thizeni emsebenzini or with friends. He doesn't care a damn. Mesethi uyakudinga kodwa futhi iTLC into angenayo. What should Anonymous do? For me, this seems pretty obvious. There's literally nothing Anonymous ayibalile in the email that counts in this guy's favor. But let me know what you think, and also give Anonymous some advice from your perspective ngendlela wena ozwa istori sakhe ngaso. 0861596596 the number ozongithola kuyona. You can also send Anonymous a WhatsApp voice note and I will play it back on 078-934-2827. Njabulo, wena ubona ukuthi Anonymous enze njani?
Sawubona nje busunjani?
I am great, Bizo. Right wena?
Hayi ngiyaphila nami Bizo. Hayi ngithi mina Anonymous akabaleke ngenyawo zombili.
Yes.
Because isigcino kuzokwenzeka la usisi uzogcina sethenga igross endlini. Uzogcina sethenga igross asibuyele kule topic ya last week osisi abondla amadoda. La usisi akabaleke ngoba mawukuthi ubhuti uhlele office sonto lonke kuyacaca ukuthi lo muntu akasebenzi. Njengoba seqalile ithengela ama drink nje ukusho ukuthi the next time mayibuye uzothenga igross yasendlini.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, so usisi nje hayi impela kusa eli ingakenzeki lutho ayakabaleke.
It's reassuring knowing ukuthi le advice eqhamuka from omunye umjita. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Njabulo for your call. Shandu Kandaba.
Yes.
How are you?
Mama, ngiyaphila kanjani?
I am good. Great to hear from you.
I think mina Njabulo, I'm facing it on a different angle. Ukuthi I don't think we'd be doing justice if we would just ghost the guy, whereas engashiyanga lesson. I think she needs to teach this guy, to school this guy before ghosting. Because if emdropha kanjena clearly usazokwenza kwabanye angithi yabo, so lento it's going to be a cycle. Kanti mhlambe yena uthotha akanakile yabo, noma lento akayinaka uyenza nje because ufuna ukuba in control. the moment she shows emfundisi ukuthi alalela ke bhuti kwenziwa kanje umuntu wesifazane umphatha kanje 1 2 and 3 lezi zinto awuzenzi noma ngabe uyamghost after that but kufikile endlebeni zakhe kwafika nasekhanda lakhe.
And whether he chooses to use leyo advice or not, it's up to him okusalayo ukuzwile.
Okusala ukuzwile whether uyisebenzisa noma uyisebenzisi ukuze nangokunye azi kahle ukuthi noma yenza lento kodwa bayayibona because abanye uthi bazothula bevele bemghost yabo akamfundise ukuthi no, this is not how you treat the lady.
Yazi since I have you on the line Mahlikihle and you sound like Umjita who's got his wits about him, could it be ukuthi lo guy is also testing her and her commitment to want to be with him without her receiving imali mhlambe as one of ama perks or impatho indaweni emfudumalo? Could he be testing her?
That could also be the case, but Nonjabulo ingakho ngithi mina usis akakhulume naye kuqala because if uguy is really testing the girl ngesikhathi ekhuluma usisi, that's the only way she's going to find out the truth. Because ubhuti uzowanyusa amabomu amasokisi noma mhlawumbe ukwehlise ngamabomu manje ukumbona ukuthi ukuyiphi level nanokuthi ukumuphi umqondo usisi. So usisi ngesikhathi naye ekhuphula amasokisi ekhombisa ukuthi uyabuya uyabona akayona nje just a fly by night. Ubhuti uma ngabe beyimisele ngempela was just testing ground uzo retaliate entweni ayenzayo bese ehamba ngojantshi kufanele ehambe ngawo angithi yabo. So ingakho the only way out is the way through ukuthi akamconfront ubhuti emtshele nje ebone lapho ke the actions azowathatha after emconfrontile iwona azohlahla indlela yabo ukuya phambili.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mahlikihle, have a great day further, but also if ngempela uguy is testing her, what are we? Are we 5 years old? That's manipulation, man. Still anonymous. Balega.